At South Georgia Pecan, we make anything from pecan products as well as other products, whole almonds, walnuts, cashews, sliced almonds, you name it, we've got it.
So we are located in Valdosta, Georgia, and we have about 350 employees.
What's unique about it is a very family-oriented type place, but it also has a lot of new energy and growth energy that's not something you would expect in a company that's been established this long. When I joined in 2021, the company had gone through a lot of growth very, very fast, which is a great thing. But what was missing is a little bit of the organizational structure that's needed with a company that's the size that we quickly became. So I was reaching out to a lot of different resources, and one of those was Georgia MEP. They were in town doing a presentation on how to be an employer of choice. And so we went there, and I liked what I heard. So then we developed a project to come on site and essentially evaluate and audit our systems and see what the opportunities were.
I knew what each area did, but I wasn't aware of the challenges they faced, nor were they aware of my challenges. But being able to present at a board and then go view the other boards, it opens up so much more. It makes every single person on our floor feel heard.
When you're in leadership, you're so far in the clouds, the distance between you and actually where the rubber meets the road, or in this case, the pecan meets the sack, you may not understand the small complexities that may cause, hold up, or it may cause waste, or it may just cause a loss in production time. But now the fact that we all walk through and do GaMEP, and it also involves the departments that are support, they can also hear what's happening too, because a lot of times they miss out on that. Now you see the supervisors and other workers from other departments talking to each other and collaborating to make things better.
We continue to find new dimensions out of our daily GaMEP walks using the management of daily improvement processes. In terms of waste, we've cut our waste down to maybe 1/10 of what it used to be. In terms of throughput, we've been able to improve roughly about 25%. We've been able to get more efficient with our labor to be able to do more with less, which is always a challenge for everybody in this economy.
Everybody seems a lot less stressed, a lot happier. They want to be at work.
The positive that it brought to the company is immeasurable. You can't even put a value to it because it's still growing.
I've worked with a lot of consultants over the years in other companies, and you end up with a to-do list that sits on a shelf or in a drawer somewhere, and you really haven't done anything. All you're left with is doing more work when they're gone. The great thing about Georgia Tech MEP is they roll up their sleeves and they get to work, and they leave you with the solution already implemented. That's something I've never seen with any other consulting firm. They stick with you and help you actually do it. In fact, it's going to more than pay for itself very, very quickly. Our leadership in the company has been very proud of to say, hey, I have a team now that is extremely flexible, extremely capable, and has the ability to quickly adapt to new opportunities to come along and ensure their execution. And so that's probably the number one thing that I'm proud of, is that this process has solidified the team that we have that can really accomplish just about anything thrown at us.